Welcome to another interesting time in learning mathematics and economics with instructor Greatness. Today, our last episode, we talked about what? A simultaneous equation. What would this addition method to solve our simultaneous equation? For today, we are going to be using what? Substitution method. So if you want to see the previous one, you can click the previous slide you see there in my YouTube page now. So today we are going to be solving what was substitution method using what? Elimination method. This is elimination method. So it's going to be x plus 2y equals to 13, 3x plus y equals to 14 using substitution what? Method. So let's dive right into it. So it's going to be, now what are you going to do first of all? At this place, you are going to isolate one of the variables. Isolate one. So you can use to get the order the way we did the first time in addition method. But this one we are isolating one now. So I'm going to be isolating y. So I can use it to what? Find my what equation. So it's going to be, I want to isolate y should be on its own now. So it's going to be y equals to 14 minus 3x. Why is it y equals to 14 minus 3x? Because you know anytime 3, any sign which is a plus sign crosses the equals to sign, it becomes minus. So that's why there's minus 3 here. So now we have isolated y, which is one of the variables now. Means anytime you see y, means y is equal to 14 minus 3x. So anytime you see y, means y is equal to what? 14 minus 3x. Because anytime you see equals to, means we are already giving the answer. So y is equal to 14 minus 3x. So let's use it to what? Calculate now. I'm going to be putting it at the first one now. So I'll make this one my equation 1, so I don't forget. I'll make this one my equation 1 now. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to start right into it. I'm going to start. So it's going to be x plus 2. Because you know what y is, you don't need to put y again. Because you know y is equal to what? 14 minus what? 3s. So I'm going to put bracket 14 minus 3s. I'll close my bracket equals to what? 13. Equals to what? 13. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open my bracket, which is x plus 2. I'm going to use 2 to times everything what? Inside. So it's going to be 2 times 14. It's going to be what? Minus 2 times 3. 6 what? X. 6x. Don't forget your x. So it's going to be, close your bracket. Okay. I've already opened the bracket. Don't need to close it again. Equals to what? 13. Equals to what? 13. I've opened my bracket now. What am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? I'm going to what? Isolate everything. Now I'm going to what? Take what? Like 10 at this particular junction. I'm going to write CLT. What does it mean? Collect like 10. So it's going to be x minus 6s equals to 13 minus 28. 13 minus 28, because you know when plus crosses the equals to sign, it becomes what? Minus. So at this junction, I collected what? Like 10. So it's going to be x minus 6s. And you know in mathematics, anytime you see s stands for 1 as a number. So it's going to be 1 minus what? 6s. So it's going to give you what? Minus 5x. So it equals to 13 minus 28. It's going to give you what? It's going to give us what? Minus what? 15. Now at this junction, we are going to be what? Collect. We are going to be what? At the simplest of equation now, we are going to what? Divide. Divide by what? Minus 5x. At this what? Simplest of equation. This is the most simplest of equation now. So I'm going to divide by minus 5x. So it's going to be minus 15 divided by what? Minus 5x. So I'm going to write it here for root divide by minus 5 minus 5x. I'm going to do it like this, minus 5x. So it's going to be my sign, cancel my sign, and my 15 cancel 5. How many times will 5 into 15? It's going to be how many? 3 times. 3. So at this junction, because there's no other variables to cancel x, means x is equal to what? 3. X is equal to what? 3. Now I've gotten x. I've gotten x. So anytime you see x, put 3. Anytime you see x, put 3. So what am I going to do now? Easy way. I've already set it up properly. I've set it up properly. So I'm going to go back to what I made my equation 1. And anywhere I see my x, I should put 3. Anywhere I see my x. So I'm going to go back to my equation 1, which is this one I made equation 1. If you remember. So it's going to be y equals to 14 minus 3. You don't need to put x again because you know what x is. X is what? 3. So I'm going to put bracket 3. Bracket 3. So I'm going to open my bracket now. is going to be y equals to 14 minus 3 times 3 is going to give us how many? 9. So it's going to be y equals to 14 minus 9 is going to give us how many? 5. So my answer is 5. So y is equals to what? 5. Simple as what? ABCD. Simple as what? ABCD. For more information, you can ask me in my comment section so I can give you more explanation if you don't understand. Please, thank you. Okay.